So I have connected the keyboard using its flat cables to the receptacles, and in addition I also assembled these pin headers on there, which correspond to the pins of the receptacles. Then I have connected a ohmmeter, which measures the resistance between 2 points. These 2 points are one column and one row. So I started to select one column, and then I went with this one to each row, and in between of each step I pressed all keys, and have been watching at the resistance meter when it sees a resistance. Now it does not see because it's overload, so there's an open connection in between of 2 pins, and we need to press one of the keys, the proper key, which is acting as a push button, which connects these 2 points if they are intended, right? So to figure this out, so for example on here the key with the labeling 8, yeah, is switching in between of this pin on there and this pin on there, of this column and this row number, blah, blah, blah. And I wrote down what I have figured out. And we see on here now that I had a few hits. I could find some, the space, the letter H, Y, Q. I could find the key, function key 3, function key 4, but not all. And we see on here that the column 15 did not give any hit, and column 6 also no hit, and column 3, 2 and 1 they haven't also given a hit. So I could not find a combination of row and columns at these positions which are striped. But 15, 6, 3, 2, 1, the columns on there seems to be something wrong. It could be that the soldering is not good. It could be that there is that on here the contact is not okay, that they are corroded maybe. But and I don't hope that the keyboard, because it's a refurbished, it's a used one, that this keyboard is not broken at these columns. And the issue is at the columns, as we see on here, that all rows somewhere in other columns are always giving something, right? There is no empty line, as it's from the vertical one, right? From the vertical one, yeah. On here we see, right? There is no hit on there, yeah. So, but I have also a few other keyboards, one additional exactly, and a third one, and so I need to hope that it's not the keyboard that I will find the bug. But this is the way to figure out with this ohm resistance meter which lines correspond to which key. And this information is we need to teach the microcontroller, the ATMega. Yeah.